If you wanted to fund somebody's wallet from your own wallet, instead of going to transfer money, the way that you do is that that person will send you the proof of payment and the QR code. I normally ask them to make sure to send me the screenshot so I know they did send me the QR code for OPBNB. So then I will go and copy that code. Remember, it ends with 39 CBE. Then I will go open SafePal. I will go on my wallet, go to my OPBNB. I will say I want to send some funds. I will go and paste the wallet number there. It's 39 CBE, so it's correct. And I will go, the BNB that needs to be loaded is 0.0044. That's 58 Rand. I paid in about 70 Rand. So I'm going to make it 555152. Okay, that's 70 Rand because they paid me 70 Rand. You only need 0.0044 to start this business, but because I'm doing it straight from SafePal, there's no fees involved. Okay, so I'm funding the one wallet. I'm saying next, and I'm sending it. They need my code. The transfer is complete.